It's fascinating how 20, 30 years ago, we didn't have such magnificent devices that could fit in our pocket, calculator, computer, a phone, and also a platform that you can see someone who is 5,000 kilometers across the world to look at as if they are right in front of you. Yet still, we have all these resources and we fail to use them to the best of their abilities to make us excel to the best of our abilities. It's 2025, March of 2025 to be exact. 3 months into the so-called new year, because it ain't new anymore. Are you working towards the goals you planned in December or even January to make yourself better for this year and the years to come in the future? How is it going so far? If you ask a random person right now if they know that they can make money socializing on social media or using various platforms as a means of generating income, they would say yes, I know that can be done. If you ask them, do you know how to leverage such techniques to make money and generate an income? Majority of them will also say, yes, I know how to do it. Then you go ahead and ask them, why aren't you doing it? Then they will all give a similar response. Oh, I want to, I'm waiting till next week. Oh, I tried, but I need to do some more work. So next month, tomorrow, this, that. It will all be similar responses to the same question as to why they're not doing it right now, in this moment, not waiting on tomorrow. Because we all know tomorrow is promised to no man. You can go to bed tonight and don't wake up. Like, why are you waiting until next week? What's wrong with right now? Life is so precious. Make use of now and stop planning for tomorrow. Like, I know you're looking on social media, you see that creator over there, they're very successful, they're living the dream, doing whatever it is you would always dream of doing, going to Dubai, going to Bali. They have the expensive cars, the expensive iPhone, the latest Samsung. They have it all, but that didn't come overnight, and that shouldn't be deterring you from picking the camera up and trying something you've always wanted to do. And it shouldn't only be about social media or content creation. You've always wanted to be that good athlete, running around that track, breaking records, running that fast new PB you didn't dream or think you would ever achieve. Just get up, go outside, go on that track and run. Saying tomorrow, saying next week will never get it done. The best time to do anything is right now. And you have a lot of people out there saying, oh, you can't just get up and do something. You have to plan, you have to strategize, you have to do this, you have to do that. They're taking a large dose of copium. The best experience is first-hand experience. And the best way to learn something is to learn the hard way. But you guys just don't want to learn. First-hand experience is the best experience. Let me give you a scenario. Would you rather fly with a pilot who has 5 years in planning and studying and doing research work in aeronautics, or flying with a pilot who has no certification but has flown for like 10,000 hours for over 5 years with no incidents? Which one of those pilots would you fly with? The planner or the doer? Life is too short to be living with what ifs and regrets at the end of the day. I think we should all get up, go out there and do what it is we want to do. You want to create content, put the phone on the tripod, record that video, edit it and post it online. worry about everything afterwards. Then use the mistakes, new stuff you've learned from that old video and incorporate them into the new video you're going to record. So get out there, start recording, put the phone down, don't get distracted. We don't have a lot of time. Our time is limited. We all expire at some point. So make the use of the little time we have here on earth. Stop scrolling on social media. Go do some main character stuff, because we're all the main character in our story. Now, whether or not that story is good is up to us. So let's all go out there and do whatever it is we want to do to the best of our abilities. I'm Chevaughn Beckford, and if you found this video interesting, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button also, so the algorithm can push this video so others can see it and see what's up. Chevaughn Beckford, signing out.